Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make fettuccine Alfredo sauce like Olive Garden. First, gather all your fresh ingredients to ensure the best flavor. You'll want to have everything ready before you start cooking. Begin by melting butter and cream cheese together in a saucepan over medium heat. This creates a smooth, rich base. Next, gradually whisk in heavy cream and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Simmer gently until the sauce reaches your desired thickness, stirring occasionally. To achieve that signature Olive Garden taste, you'll need specific ingredients. Start with 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, which provides a rich foundation. Incorporate 8 ounces of cream cheese for extra creaminess and body. Then, add 2 cups of heavy cream to create that luxurious texture. Finally, grate 2 cups of fresh Parmesan cheese. This is crucial for authentic flavor. Let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, melt the butter and cream cheese together over medium heat, stirring until smooth. Next, slowly whisk in the heavy cream, ensuring there are no lumps. Gradually add the freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring constantly until it's fully incorporated. Continue to cook the sauce for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it thickens to your liking, stirring frequently. Now for the finishing touches. Season your Alfredo sauce with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra layer of flavor, add a small pinch of garlic powder. Once seasoned, immediately toss the hot sauce with freshly cooked fettuccine pasta. The warm pasta will absorb the sauce beautifully. Garnish with some fresh, chopped parsley right before serving for a vibrant touch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.